are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Oppo, a leading smart device company, today hinted at the innovations it will reveal at Mobile World Congress, Shanghai 2021. From February 23 to 25, Oppo will demonstrate the results of new testing in the 5G space, alongside its partners, as well as futuristic developments in charging technology, smartphone concepts and the Internet of Things. Oppo will demonstrate new wireless charging technology, using its groundbreaking Oppo X 2021 rollable concept smartphone, as well as the latest developments in its VOOC flash charging. But perhaps most exciting will be its unveiling of a global initiative that aims to bring easy, rapid device charging to every area of daily life. Oppo has led the flash charging space since first releasing its VOOC technology in 2014. MWCS offers the chance to demonstrate the innovations and partnerships that will expand its ecosystem into the future, reaching more people through more devices than ever before. After numerous successful trials in 2020, visitors will be able to see a live demonstration of Oppo's 5G mmWave speed testing at the China Unicom booth. 5G mmWave will underpin the next generation of 5G applications and already features in Oppo's 5G CPE, which will be showcased at MWCS. Oppo's 5G CPE converts 5G signals into stable, incredibly fast Wi-Fi connections. By working with leading industry partners like Ericsson and developing two proprietary antenna solutions, the 5G CPE makes high-speed connectivity a reality for future smart homes. Visitors to the Oppo booth can learn more firsthand. For more information, Oppo's inventions can be viewed at booth number N2E40.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.